Well, hello again. So after the other video where I tried my oil pressure, I changed the oil and changed the filter, and then since doing that, the oil pressure has dropped down to where I would expect it to be for a car on like 117, 118,000 miles, and like under acceleration, it still goes high. It doesn't go to like 100. It kind of goes to 80, which I think is probably fine. But like at idle, it's more like 30 psi, which is, even though it's only a bit of a drop, it gets to there and it kind of stays there. It doesn't kind of, I don't know, it never really fluctuated, but it was just kind of different. But what we're going to do, we're going to just try and open up this. I don't even know if you can do these very easily. I've literally just bought some tin snips from, let me just get rid of that. I don't know if that has any information on it, but might have to put a big old square on it, I don't know. So yeah, I just bought some of these to see if we can, I don't know, I might just smash a hole in the side with, I don't know, like a screwdriver or something, and then just try and cut around and see if we can actually see this filter inside, see what it looks like, because the oil didn't look too bad. I might show you later on. It's got some, obviously it's contaminated now because I did a coolant change in the same bucket and I didn't empty all of it out, so it's a remnant, so it's got a bit of stuff in there just from kind of what I've done before. But so I'm just going to try and get a hole through this. I have no idea how I'm going to set this up, so yeah, your guess is as good as mine. What can we do this? Oh, do it on the fly. Wow, I didn't even know that. Cool. So yeah, I might have to just pee around for a minute and just see what the best thing. I literally have the smallest, world's like stupidest little torch to try and put some light in here because it is dark. It's only a garage at the end of the day. So yeah, let's see if I can set this up and then see if we can make a hole in it. If it takes too long, I might just speed it all up, but we'll see how it goes. Hello again. You're currently balancing on an old coolant tub, which is cool. I literally can't even see if you guys can see anything, but it doesn't matter because probably no one's going to watch anyway. So let's try and get a hole in this. I might try, I've got some cruddy screwdrivers actually down here, which are like a really, really old set. So let's see if we can just start a hole with a screwdriver. I might have to get my old little hammer out, but I might just kind of go in like that. Like I said, it's going to be really janky. You can buy the things online, but I'm not spending money because money's stupid, apart from I bought them, so ignore that. Let's see if we can just get this through here quickly. Right, well, you fell, if you couldn't tell. Finally got the filter out. What a little bugger. But she is out. Do you know what? We've got a torch for a reason. It is the absolute world's crappiest torch, so that's fine. And for some reason, you can't put the torch on when you start recording. So now I put the torch on. Fantastic. So let's see if we can see any kind of sludge. I haven't even looked at this yet, to be fair, so it'd probably be a better thing for me to do rather than just go gun-ho and just carry on. But let's just see if we can. She's quite gunky. I don't know if it's because of the, I mean, she's not that bad. Like, the filter is very dirty, as in, like, frayed, but I don't know if that's like an age related thing or it's just something they do, because I know that obviously they're only fabric. And to be fair, like, you can't see because my camera is absolutely arse, but like there's no sludge or anything coming off of it, so perhaps this wasn't the issue. Like, you guys might see something, or if anyone's watching and you go, no, that's far too like black and dark. Obviously I've hit it with the screwdriver, so just ignore all of those bits. But from the looks of it, let's go out in the sun. Get the focus. wouldn't say that she's that bad. So after looking at the filter and it kind of looks fine, I just thought I'd grab the oil out. And you see it's very, 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 very dark, but like I wouldn't say that it's kind of lost its, I don't know, is that kind of too thick? I don't think so. Like I said, it's mixed with a tiniest bit of coolant, and like the specks in there are probably some shit that was in the bottom of the pan rather than kind of like any shavings. But yeah, I'm not too sure. I mean, like that and the filter kind of look fine, so I wouldn't kind of say it's bad. But I don't know. If you guys know anything, let us know. But from what the filter kind of looks like, you know, I wouldn't say it's bad enough to say it's completely clogged, and I thought it would be kind of full of sludge, but it really actually isn't. Let's see if we can. Oh, that's better because it's more focused. Yeah, so like, other than it being absolutely destroyed because I've smashed it, I don't know. I wouldn't say it's necessarily clogged. I wonder if we tried to pour like oil through it. I wonder if that makes any difference. Do you know what? For a laugh, I'm going to try that. Well, good news, you're back in the empty coolant container. At the time I thought it was a good idea. I still think it's a good idea. What we're going to do is see if we pour anything through that, see if there's any kind of, I don't know, restriction. Probably will be. Oh, hang on, let me get a glove because that is dirty. Yeah, that'll do. Alright, can you see it? Oh, you can, fantastic. And do you know what? This is time for the Inspector Gadget light. Perfect, look at that. What an invention. So let's see if anything pours through. That was a bad idea. I think I've messed that up a little bit. Tell you what, let's just give it a clean. No one's gonna know. No one's gonna know. 1 second. Ignore that. See if I cut. Probably gonna leave that there. It's probably the most random thing in the world. It's probably not helpful to actually anyone, but not even me actually. And now I've got to try and press stop on this without getting oil over the phone. So thanks for watching and bye bye.